Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology.
So, hello everyone. Myself, Dr. Revathy, working as a professor in the Department of Information Technology, School of Computing, Sathyabama Institute of Science and Technology. So, in this video, we are going to see about the stack data structure. So, actually, what is stack data structure? So, it is the linear data structure and it will be following the principle of last in, first out, and it will be storing the elements of same data type. So, what are all the various operations which can be performed over a stack? So, whatever operation it may be, the basic principle behind all these stack operations are, so in stack operation, the insertion and deletion are performed at only one end. So, that end is called as top end. So, the insertion will be done in the top end as well as deletion also will be done at the top end. So, what are all the various operations that can be performed over a stack? Creation, insertion, deletion and display. So, we will see each and every operation with the pseudocode. So, first operation is creation. How to create a stack? So, whenever we need to create a stack, first we need to specify the size of the stack. So, here we are going to implement the stack with the help of the array. So, we need to specify the size of the stack first, that is size of the array. So, here I have defined the size as 5. So, the stack can able to store maximum of 5 elements. So, I have created the array. So, that array is for representing our stack. So, now the stack has been created with the given size. And I have declared the top variable value as -1. What is the purpose of using the top variable? The top variable always pointing the element which has been inserted recently in the stack. So, initially the stack is empty. So, we need to initialize the top variable as -1 before inserting any elements inside the stack. So, the stack has been created now. So, what is the next operation? Next, we need to insert element into the stack. So, how to insert element into the stack? So, the insertion operation is also called as push. So, whenever we are doing the insertion, we need to specify the element to be inserted. That's what we have defined a function push with argument as the element to be inserted. So, before inserting any element inside the stack, first we need to check whether stack is full, because we need some space inside the stack to accommodate the new element. So the first condition will be check whether stack is full. If the stack is full, then we have to give the error message that the stack is full, we can't able to insert element. So, how will you check whether stack is full? Right. So, as I told already, the top variable is pointing the element which is inserted recently. So, whenever value of the top variable is size -1, if so, we can say that the stack is full, or otherwise the stack is not full, we can able to insert elements inside the stack. So, that is the condition to be checked for full stack. Suppose the stack is not full, yes, we can able to insert element inside the stack. So, what is the first step for insertion? So, the top variable always pointing the element which is inserted recently, right? So, what we have to do, we need to increase the value of the top variable by 1, then we have to insert element in that top position. So, first I have incremented value of the top variable, then I have inserted the element in that position inside the stack. Next, we are going to see the operation deletion. So, whenever we are going to perform the deletion operation, see actually the deletion operation is also called as pop operation. So, before deleting element from the stack, first we need to check whether stack is empty. Because if the stack is empty, we can't able to delete any elements from the stack, right? So, we need to check whether stack is empty. So, I'm going to check whether stack is empty. If so, I'm going to print some error message. So, how can you check whether the stack is empty? Right. So, whenever the value of the top variable is -1, we can say that stack is empty, because that is the initialization we have done when we have created a stack. So, the value of the top variable is -1, we can able to conclude that the stack is empty. So, we can't able to perform deletion operation. Suppose that the stack is not empty, yes, we can do that, right? So, we are going to return the location of the top element Otherwise, what we are going to do? We need to delete element from the top position, because the stack is also called as last in first out data structure. That is, the element recently inserted will be deleted first. The top variable is always pointing the element which has been inserted recently. So, I need to delete element from the top position. So, that is the element to be deleted first, right? So, I have taken element from the top position. So, the element that is to be deleted is represented by the variable deleted. Next, I need to decrement the value of the top, because the element in the top has been deleted. So, I need to decrement the value of the top. So, I have decremented the value of the top variable. Then, we are returning the element to be deleted, right? So, this is for your deletion operation. Next, we are going to display elements of a stack. So, how will you display elements of a stack? Right. So, when we are trying to display elements of a stack, again we need to check whether stack is empty, right? If the stack is empty, I can't be able to do the display operation. So, we are giving some error message. Suppose the stack is not empty, then I can able to display the elements. So, here I have started from the top location, right? I have started displaying elements from the top location, that is the element that is inserted recently. From the top location till the location is greater than -1, that is the location is still 0. From the top position till 0, we are trying to retrieve elements from the stack and we are going to display the same. So, we have retrieved the elements from a stack and we have displayed the same. So, these are all the various operations that can be performed over a stack. Hope this video is useful for understanding the concept of stack data structure. Thank you.